Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Can synthetic fuels save the internal combustion engine? Will synthetic fuel save the internal combustion engine? In a world where sustainability and efficiency are paramount, the automotive industry is constantly seeking innovative solutions to reduce carbon emissions and environmental impact. Synthetic fuels have emerged as a promising contender in the quest for cleaner transportation options, but can they truly revolutionize the future of the internal combustion engine? Synthetic fuels, also known as e-fuels or carbon-neutral fuels, are produced through processes that involve capturing and recycling carbon dioxide emissions. Unlike traditional fossil fuels, synthetic fuels offer the potential to significantly lower the overall carbon footprint of vehicles powered by internal combustion engines. This presents a compelling opportunity to mitigate the environmental challenges associated with traditional fossil fuels. As we delve into the potential of synthetic fuels to transform the automotive landscape, it becomes essential to weigh their efficacy in sustaining the relevance of internal combustion engines amidst growing calls for electric and alternative propulsion technologies. By exploring the evolving landscape of sustainable transportation solutions, we can uncover the pivotal role that synthetic fuels may play in shaping the future of mobility. Join us on a quest to unravel the impact of synthetic fuels on the automotive industry as we navigate through the realm of innovative fuel technologies and their potential to revolutionize the way we power vehicles. Let's embark on a journey to discover the game-changing possibilities that synthetic fuels bring to the fast-paced world of automotive sustainability. Understanding synthetic fuel. Synthetic fuel is a fascinating alternative to traditional fossil fuels that has been gaining attention for its potential to reduce carbon emissions and dependence on finite resources. Let's delve into what synthetic fuel is all about. Definition and composition. Synthetic fuel, also known as synfuel, is a liquid fuel produced from renewable sources such as biomass, algae, or electricity through a process called Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. Unlike fossil fuels, synthetic fuel is considered a carbon-neutral energy source because the carbon dioxide emitted during its combustion is offset by the carbon dioxide absorbed during the feedstock growth. This man-made fuel can mimic the composition of conventional fuels like gasoline, diesel, or even jet fuel. Its ability to replicate the properties of traditional fuels makes it compatible with existing infrastructure and combustion engines, offering a seamless transition to a more sustainable energy future. Production process. The production of synthetic fuel involves several steps, starting with the collection or generation of raw materials like carbon dioxide, water, and renewable electricity. These elements are then converted into synthetic gas, syngas, through processes such as gasification or electrolysis. The syngas are then further refined using catalysts in the Fischer-Tropsch process to synthesize liquid hydrocarbons, which form the basis of synthetic fuel. The production of synthetic fuel can be tailored to meet specific quality standards and applications, making it a versatile and customizable energy solution. Environmental impact. One of the key advantages of synthetic fuel is its potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to conventional fossil fuels. By utilizing carbon-neutral feedstocks and capturing carbon dioxide during production, synthetic fuel can help mitigate climate change and improve air quality. Moreover, the use of synthetic fuel in internal combustion engines can contribute to lower emissions of pollutants such as nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, leading to cleaner and more sustainable transportation solutions. While challenges related to scaling up production and cost competitiveness remain, ongoing advancements in technology and growing interest in sustainable fuel options are driving the development of synthetic fuels as a promising alternative in the quest for decarbonization. Challenges of internal combustion engines. Internal combustion engines have long been the powerhouse of our transportation and industrial sectors, but they come with their fair share of challenges that need to be addressed as we move forward toward a more sustainable future. Dependency on fossil fuels. One of the primary challenges faced by internal combustion engines is their heavy reliance on fossil fuels. Gasoline and diesel, derived from finite resources buried deep within the earth, power these engines. This dependency not only contributes to energy insecurity but also exposes the world to the volatility of fuel prices influenced by geopolitical tensions and market fluctuations. Emissions and pollution. Internal combustion engines are notorious for their emissions of harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. These pollutants not only contribute to the greenhouse effect and global warming, but also deteriorate air quality, leading to a host of health issues for humans and wildlife. The constant battle to meet stringent emission standards highlights the uphill struggle to curb the environmental impact of these engines. Sustainability concerns. In an era where sustainability is at the forefront of innovation and development, the sustainability concerns surrounding internal combustion engines cannot be overlooked. The finite nature of fossil fuels, coupled with the environmental repercussions of their combustion, raises questions about the long-term viability of these engines in a world striving for cleaner energy alternatives. Balancing the need for efficiency and performance with the imperative to reduce environmental harm poses a significant challenge for the future of internal combustion engines. Addressing these challenges will be crucial in determining the role of internal combustion engines in a rapidly evolving technological landscape focused on sustainability and environmental stewardship. By acknowledging these obstacles and actively seeking solutions, the journey towards a greener, more sustainable future can gain momentum, paving the way for innovative advancements in the realm of transportation and energy. The role of synthetic fuel. Synthetic fuel represents a promising solution in the quest to save the internal combustion engine by addressing key issues faced by conventional fuels. Let's delve into the key aspects that make synthetic fuel a game-changer in the realm of sustainable energy, reduction in emissions. One of the primary advantages of synthetic fuel is its potential to significantly reduce harmful emissions. By utilizing synthetic fuels in combustion engines, we can slash emissions of pollutants like nitrogen oxides and particulate matter. This leap towards a cleaner environment is pivotal in combating climate change and improving air quality in our fast-paced world. Thank you for watching part 1 of our discussion on synthetic fuels and their impact on the future of the internal combustion engine. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve even deeper into this fascinating topic. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.